Hi, I'm Joe Gitter, and I'm going to teach you how to sear scallops. Just a couple of extra steps will ensure this gorgeous ingredient will be prepared perfectly every time. Scallops come either wet or dry. A wet scallop has been injected with a chemical solution to preserve it. This can impart an off flavour. We prefer dry scallops. If they're not labelled, ask your fishmonger. Next, we want to dry our dry scallops really well. Place them on a towel-lined baking sheet. Place another towel on top and gently press. Let them sit for 10 minutes at room temperature while the towels absorb the excess surface moisture. Moisture is the mortal enemy of browning. The less we have to start, the quicker we'll develop a golden crust. Just before cooking, season the scallops with salt and pepper. Heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a skillet over high heat until just smoking. The pan must be ripping hot to get the brown we want before the delicate center overcooks. The first sign of smoke tells us we're there. Add the scallops in a ring around the exterior of the pan. Try not to crowd them. The area of the skillet just above the burner will always be slightly hotter than the center of the pan. Arranging your scallops this way ensures even heat distribution. Cook for 1.5 to 2 minutes without touching until you've developed a nice sear. Then flip and cook 30 to 90 seconds longer until the edges are firm and the centers are opaque. Now for the fun bit. Push the scallops to the back of the pan, add a pat of butter, tilt the skillet, and baste them with gloriously nutty brown butter. Scallops with golden crusts and tender sweet centers. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you thought of this how-to in the comments below and hit that subscribe button right now.